Now I at once start my sermon. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Suppa buddham pabujjanti sada uttam savaka ye santivacharatthocha nityam buddha gata sati dhamma gata sati sangha gata sati Haya gata sati ahimsaya gato manu bhavanaya gato manoti. Dear listener or dear devotees, according to your program, today's sermon is the protection from evil spirit. That is why I selected a suitable center for this sermon. Now, before I start, I want to explain the meaning of the subject. Then it is better to have a better understanding why it is. Now the meaning of that topic I decided just only few minutes ago. The meaning of this, the disciples of Gautama the Buddha who contemplate at all times, by day and night, on the Buddha, live without fear. Who contemplate on Dhamma, Sangha, and the body, the loving kindness, and on meditation, live without fear. This is the meaning of this sentence. I think before I'm going to start the description of my topics, it is, I think, the story related to this stanza is very important to understand how our mind, energizing or mental body, sets work in accordance with various levels of mental energies. This stanza was said by the Buddha on account of the son of a woodcutter. So this is called the story of a son of a woodcutter. In the city of Rajakiya, there were two boys who always played together. One was son of a Buddhist, the other was son of a non-Buddhist. The two boys were taught by their parents to praise their religious teachers before what they start to do. When the boys threw the ball while playing, the Buddhist boy said, "Praise be to the Buddha. Namo Buddhaya." The other boy was non-Buddhist, said, "Praise be to the God, Namo Devaya." Thus the two boys were accustomed to say the names of their respective teachers, whom they did profound faith to and were believed that they will help them. The Buddhist boy always won the other lost. The non-Buddhist boy therefore thought that his friend always won because the praise to the Buddha. He too started to say the same words. Then he get used to say, praise be Buddha, praise to be the Buddha. One day, the father of non-Buddhist boy took in a cart to the forest to collect firewoods. He was accompanied by his son. They filled the cart with firewoods and to start back home. As they were returning home, they found out that the main gate of the city closed before they reached them. So they stopped the cart at the gate and fall asleep. The father and the son were sleeping under the cart. At the midnight, two evil spirits who were wandering near the city gate saw the boy who they thought suitable for their prey. One of them dragged the boy by his leg. The boy was frightened and cried out, "Praise be to the Buddha." The evil spirit who dragged the boy was frightened by his utterance, moved back and said to their evil spirit that he has done a wrong thing because the boy was faithful to the Buddha. He was afraid to touch the boy by the grace of the Buddha. Therefore, he said he would pay the penalty for his misdeed. He told the other spirit to look after the boy till he collected him some food for night. The evil spirit, with his super normal power, entered the royal kitchen and filled the king's dish with food, returned to where the boy was sleeping. He awakened the boy, gave him food to eat. The boy was not able to see the spirit and thought that the food was given by his father. The two evil spirits, using by their psychic power, wrote on the golden disc what they had done, that let no one other than the king would see this writing. They kept the golden disc in cart and disappeared. On the following morning, the news was spread that the golden disc of the king had been stolen by thieves from the palace by previous night. The royal guards began to search everywhere in and out of the city. They found the golden disc in the cart outside the city gate. They brought the boy